Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of October, 2024, our system has categorized Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.01. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of negative 0.31% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average daily loss of negative 0.04%, since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 20.9% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 44.37% to negative 1.89%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected decline of around 46.11% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 61.41% and negative 26.29%. This corresponds to a price range between $8.61 and $16.44 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Intel stock after losing 1.54%. The Intel stock price fell by 1.54% on the last day Wednesday, 16th of October, 2024, dropping from $22.66 to $22.31. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.68%, ranging from a day low of $21.74 to a day high of $22.54. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days and is down by 0.36% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 62 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.38 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $51.28, while the lowest price was $18.51. Currently, the price stands 56.49%, or $28.97, below the 52-week high, and 67.80%, or $46.98, below the all-time high reached on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel Corporation's stock, identified by the ticker symbol INTC, closed at $22.31. This marks a decline of 1.54%, even as the overall market trends upward. This decrease can be partly linked to ongoing speculation concerning a potential acquisition by Qualcomm. Analysts believe that Qualcomm might delay any bid until after the United States presidential election in November. Such uncertainty often weighs heavily on investor sentiment in the short term. Additionally, a renewed focus from a Chinese industry group regarding Intel's chips raises further concerns. This group has proposed that Intel's products sold in China should undergo national security reviews. This situation underscores the geopolitical tensions surrounding technology and could lead to regulatory challenges, potentially affecting Intel's market access and sales performance in China, which is vital for revenue growth. Looking ahead, as the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company prepares to release its earnings report, investors should pay close attention to key indicators such as the demand for artificial intelligence chips and data center performance. These factors are crucial to the direction of the semiconductor market. If the outlook remains positive, it could help stabilize or even lift Intel's stock price in the long term, despite the current challenges. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Intel a grade of equal weight with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Benchmark provided Intel with a grade of buy, along with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, Wolfe Research rated Intel with a reduced grade, also recommending a hold. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated Intel as underperform with a recommendation to hold. On that same day, Exane BNP Paribas also rated Intel as underperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given Intel stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Intel's stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, it also shows a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $23.14. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $21.63. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will activate a sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 18.1%. Additional increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal received 29 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal received 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal received 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal received 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. If we examine the chart for the past 12 months, we observe short moving average, sell signal received 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal received 140 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 148 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $21.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements and maintains a good trading volume, categorizing the risk as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 80 cents between its high and low, which equates to 3.68%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 3.51%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at a loss of 3 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $22.56. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $21.84. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of September, 2024, Yuri Frank D conducted an insider buy of 3,136,763 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Smith Gregory D conducted an insider buy of 1,516,102 shares of phantom stock units. Also, on the 27th of September, Eshraq Omar conducted an insider buy of 1,306,985 shares of phantom stock units. On that day, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider buy of 1,254,706 shares of phantom stock units. Moving to the 31st of August, 2024, Gowell Scott conducted an insider sell of 2024 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 1.606. In total, insiders purchased 440,463 shares and sold 421,731 shares in the last 100 trades. Our suggested stop loss is set at $21.35, reflecting a decline of 4.32%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 28 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive signals. However, we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buying recommendation. At this level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting a stance of holding or accumulating while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of October, we anticipate that Intel will open lower by 11.3 cents, starting at $22.20. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.